Let's walk through how to connect your social profiles in Sendible so you can get started scheduling straight away. Head to the Profiles dashboard using the sidebar on the left. This is your central hub for managing every social account connected to your Sendible plan. To add a new profile, click the Add button and you'll see all the platforms available to connect, including Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, Google Business, YouTube, Threads, and Blue Sky. Select the platform you want to connect and follow the on-screen authorization steps. Each platform will guide you through its own login and permissions. Just make sure you're logged into the right account before you start. A couple of things worth noting. When connecting a Facebook page, you'll need admin access to the associated Meta Business Suite account. And for Instagram business profiles, the connection is made through Facebook, so have that linked and ready to go. Once your profiles are connected, click Profiles to manage them. From here, you can see all your active profiles, check their connection status, and take action on any that need attention. If a profile shows as disconnected or stops posting, you can reconnect it right from this view. This sometimes happens when platform permissions expire, so it's worth checking in here if you notice anything isn't delivering as expected. When you connect a social profile to a workspace, everyone in that workspace automatically gets access to schedule and publish content to it, so there is no manual sharing required. If you need to move a profile entirely out of your current setup, you can still click Transfer to move it to a different workspace. You can also create profile lists to group your account together, for example, by client, by brand, or by platform. This makes composing and filtering content much faster when you're working across a large number of profiles. And there you have it, a short tutorial on how you can connect your profiles in Sendible. Thank you for watching.